let's look into the micro, because the devil is in the details. Let's talk about exercise selection. Now in the functional base phase, it's mostly remedial exercises, not like a full back squat. So for example, a simple goblet squat using a kettlebell or a dumbbell, where he demonstrates. Again, she's choosing to use the heel elevation for range of motion improvement, which is totally fine. And again, if the goblet squat does not work, we can do things like split squats, etc., machine work to support that movement. Now in the second phase, the muscle development phase, we're working on manipulating things such as tempo and reps to build more lean tissue by stimulating muscle growth. Now with the same goblet squat we talked about in the functional base phase, and add a little spice to it. By just having the same goblet squat, but adding a bit of change of tempo. I call this the 1 1/4 tempo. So we're going down nice and control, up a quarter, back down, back up again. Again, slow tempo down, up a quarter, back down, all the way up. That small modification in tempo teases the muscle fiber, has a longer time under tension, and stimulates muscle growth. So we're taking the same movement that we did in the functional base phase, adding a bit of adjustments to the tempo, and now making it more curated for the muscle development phase. Taking that same goblet squat we did in the functional base phase, but adding a bit of adjustment to tempo, where you're not going to feel the greatest in the bottom, but you're going to feel a lot more burn, will now make it more inducing for muscle development, for increasing your metabolism as well as fat loss goals.